Welcome to AI and Expert Systems for Small Business. Today's August 15th, 2022. We are Silicon Networks Group in Reno, Nevada, 775-945-9825. We are an IBM business partner, and we are the Lenovo reseller. Silicon Networks was formed in 2001. We've been in business for over a decade. We primarily provide network solutions for small business and Lenovo server solutions. We are actually a developer for IoT, and we've been developing telemedicine and distance learning applications. And our expertise in the 1980s was we were developing expert systems for forecasting pension funds in the United States. And that was our core product. We've been involved in expert systems ever since. We've developed expert systems and artificial intelligence for learning, for education, for distance education, for states, counties, universities. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence can be defined as an attempt to make machines achieve human-like capabilities such as seeing, hearing, and thinking. You could click on the IBM logo and watch an IBM YouTube video. We're not going to take the 20 minutes. I will give you a very quick idea of where IBM is. IBM is making all the tools, applications necessary for business owners to develop artificial intelligence for a problem that they cannot solve any other way. And I'm going to review with you other alternatives to artificial intelligence that are foundation solutions for AI. And most people find that the things like decision support system can solve the problem they're trying to solve with artificial intelligence at a fraction of the cost. In 1973, HP faced with the prospect of adding tens of millions of dollars worth of assembly and test facilities to accommodate sales growth. Digital Equipment Corp sought an alternative. The result was XCON, an expert system that checks sales orders and designs the layout of each computer order it analyzes. Westinghouse Electric Corporation designed an expert system to monitor the steam turbines it sells. When a turbine fails, it sometimes throws pieces of steel whirling at thousands of revolutions per minute into protective casings, causing tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage and weeks of downtime. Detection of potential failures is thus extremely useful. Westinghouse Process Diagnostic System, PDS, continually tracks data from monitors on the turbine and makes recommendations for maintenance. American Express uses an expert system to help credit authorization staff sort through data from as many as 13 databases. An American Express card does not have set spending limit. That feature is important for competitive reasons, but determining the credit level for each customer poses a stiff real-time administrative challenge. A decision support system is a computerized system that gathers and analyzes data, synthesizing it and producing comprehensive information reports. The American Express decision support system, starting in the 1990s, American Express used DSS to collect and prepare online reports for agents to make decisions about credit card holders. This was developed in Phoenix, Arizona. I decided in 1990 not to join them. Getting started with expert systems. The first step is to identify the opportunities, look for design, diagnosis, or monitoring procedures that are not being performed as well as they could be. Ask, Is there a task in my organization that would be improved with more time? The first question, why do current applications not solve the problem? The relational database is a type of database that stores and provides access to data points that are related to one another. Relational databases are based on the relational model and intuitive, straightforward way of representing data in tables. In a relational database, each row in the table is a record with a unique ID called the key. The columns of the table hold attributes of the data, and each record usually has a value for each attribute, making it easy to establish relationships among data points. Here's a link to a IBM video at the Media Center, IBM, on Power AI and Standoff. Business value, artificial intelligence framework, machine framework, deep learning, Power AI, power processor, machine learning, DSX, distributed deep learning, large model support workloads, collecting data, improving business processes, preempt user tasks. These are the things that are IBM solutions that are available through the IBM network. Okay, and the whole goal is to add business value. They want to provide an artificial intelligence framework, not the solution. Machine framework, deep learning, Power AI, power processor. What problems are you trying to solve? What applications have you tried? Would a decision support system work? Would an expert system work? What are the staff resources available? If a researcher developed a question set, could your existing staff interview staff? What resources are available to test results? These are the fundamental questions. With artificial intelligence and expert systems, a company or organization is not hiring experts to develop software. They are actually providing software tools to experts to automate what they want to do. If it's astronomical research, cancer research, identifying cancer cells, the researcher or the expert provides and automates the intelligence. The artificial intelligence developer does not. The goal is to allow and expand the knowledge of the researcher into an automated format that can identify problematic areas and assist in problem solving in previously unsolvable problems. What task applied to you? Okay, this is from IBM. Their view is they've taken it down to 6 areas as workloads, and they're evaluating predictive maintenance, process optimization, demand forecasting, risk analysis, cross-upselling, credit checks, customer segmentation, patient triage, proactive health management, real-time alerts and diagnostics, disease identification, inventory planning, cross-channel marketing, customer return of investment and lifetime value, smart grid management, carbon emissions, customer-specific pricing, scheduling, pricing, social media analytics, and customer sentiment. Artificial intelligence, how can we help? Machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, data science and analytics, data engineering. Our experience have shown is that the problem has to be clearly defined, and if correlations developed, and in identifying the problem model, IBM has a division known as SPSS, which was originally social sciences statistical processor for social sciences. And this can do hundreds of statistical tests on a data set. The goal is to develop a model and be able to build some assumptions, and then to use artificial intelligence to verify your assumptions. From Silicon Networks, services available. We can provide help with systems analysis study, recommend options, evaluate options, provide IBM product demonstrations, and provide IBM applications on a trial basis. Silicon Networks, we also have other workshops. Take a look at our website. If you have any questions, give us a call at 775-945-9825. This is an introductory course in artificial intelligence and what it can do. We really need to talk to customers before they even think about starting down this route. And the first question would be, in a systems analysis study, how is it that any problems you want to solve is not solvable by other solutions than artificial intelligence, just to make sure that it's not a buzzword that people want to go down this route just because it's a popular thing. It has its place, but so do all other applications. Okay. Silicon Network, 775-945-9825. We're looking forward to hearing from you.